Okay, folks, today it's Sunday. Beautiful day in Brookfield Zoo. We're going to try to see all different exhibits. A lot of folks from all over, come in and see what's going on in here. It's a good day to enjoy yourself. Let's see where we're going to. Oh, Ferry over there. And we're going to go by one of the exhibits over here. A tu są jakieś tam będą, nie? Oh, we'll go around. See? Oh, lion fountain. And yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah, folks are looking around, huh? Yeah, bo wyciągniesz i se usiąść, nie?
Na kolana ciągle.
Yeah.
Może by uciągnął. Ja tam taki kościsko to nie ważę dużo.
Yeah. Well, it's going to be like the family thing. We're going to go over there and see. Yeah, kids enrolled, strollers, and enjoy themselves. And you want to go over here? And you? Chcesz zobaczyć tu? Yeah. Oh, we got some goats over here. See them? Yeah. There's a large birdhouse in here. Oh, a bunch of birds over there.
Let's let everyone go through.
Yeah, we're going to go around here and see if we could see other things. Kids walk around with their parents and families. Bunch of goats and Here. Huh? You want to go here? We'll go around. We will see the kangaroo.
You have water here.
Okay. Yeah.
Torebkę wezmę, bo tu mam telefon. A ty zostawisz torbę?
Thank you.
Yeah. That's fine. What to put it today?
Tata, bo torbę kto weźmie z kanapkami.
No i that's it. Nah.
Nie weźmie?
Nah.
Pomyśli, że tam nie wiadomo co jest.
Oh. Nah.
Będziemy chodzić o głodzie.
Oh. Okay. All right. Let's go over there. Oh, Ken, weź tę laskę mi tam.
What if one attacks you?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
Let's see if we want to see over here. Oh, we don't see much over here.
Ja chcę tylko na krokodyli i na szympansy i na małpki. Na małpki.
Alright, so we'll go over there. Let's see what they got in here. Kangaroo hiding in the homes, I guess. They're probably hiding someplace or resting. Oh,
Gdzie tu? Nic nie widzę tu.
so we go back over there.
Huh?
Nothing. Yeah, pochowały się w tym.
Tak?
Wait a minute. Maybe over here. Yeah, see the kids over there. No. Okay, let's go back over there. Yeah, come on. So?
Idę zobaczyć.
Let's go. Probably not.
There's enough for everybody.
No.